Hello everyone, my name is Gerlie, your friendly woman in tech, and today we are back with another video. And our topic of the day is, kailangan ko bang i-memorize lahat ng syntax? There are some common misconceptions sa ating mga developers, and one of this is that people think na tayong mga developers, we are coding everything by ourselves, or that people think na ang magaling na developers ay hindi na nagkaka-paste from other sources or from internet, which for me is very, very wrong. So before we get started, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time may bago akong upload. So, talking about memorizing the syntax, we actually don't memorize all of it. We just find ourselves memorizing some of it because lagi natin siyang ginagamit, like on a daily basis. So, nai-stack na lang siya sa memories natin. Pero, there are codes also na hindi natin madalas ginagamit. And those codes or syntax, yun yung madalas nating nakakalimutan. Ako, in my case, every time na kailangan ko lang siya gamitin, then that's the time na i-google ko na siya. Or sometimes, i-check ko yung documentation nila. Or sometimes naman, titingnan ko yung mga previous works ko to see if there's something similar that I can reuse from that project. May mga codes din na hindi mo na kailangang i-look up sa internet kasi yun yung mga codes na pinag-aralan mo na nung beginner ka pa lang. These codes like, for example, yung mga conditional statements, mga loops, mga functions declarations, variable declarations, class definitions, or yung mga functions na lagi natin ginagamit. Like for example, kung paano mo kukunin yung mga date and time, or yung mga debugging lines natin, and etc. So things like that, since lagi naman natin siyang ginagamit, we might just find ourselves memorizing those syntax unintentionally to the point na you no longer need to look it up. Actually, in my case, I don't really type everything. Sometimes, sineset up ko na lang siya sa code editor ko. Like, for example, ang gamit ko ngayon is si Visual Studio Code. Pwede kang mag-set up doon ng mga code snippets na gagamitin mo na lang. Or sometimes, yung mga code editors natin, by default, meron na din silang mga code snippets na nakaset up doon for a specific purpose. Like, for example, i-type mo lang yung certain word and press tab or enter. Then, ma-generate na yung code for that specific purpose. There's nothing wrong in Googling. There's nothing wrong in copy-pasting. Google is your friend, my friend. Sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, never memorize anything that you can look up. Diba? Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, guys, napakarami na ng mga platforms. Nandiyan na yung Stack Overflow, may Reddit, may Quora, may mga blogs na sinusulat ang mga developers natin sa mga blog sites. Like, for example, sa dev.to, sa Medium, and iba pang mga blog sites na kine-create ng mga developers. So, hindi mo talaga kailangang i-memorize lahat. Especially if mahina ka talaga sa memorization, you don't have to worry about it actually. As you code more and understand the concepts and as you solve more problems, then mariretain na lang siya sa memories natin. So, the question of, do you really need to memorize everything? And my answer is clearly a no. Hindi mo kailangang i-memorize lahat. Hindi mo kailangang i-memorize lahat ng syntax. Ang importante is maintindihan mo kung ano yung problem na sinusolve mo and clear sa'yo kung ano yung end result. And then, dapat alam mo kung ano yung capabilities ng framework mo or ng language na gagamitin mo. You understand the concepts, you understand how the functions are used, and most importantly, alam mo kung ano yung mga keywords na gagamitin mo to research. So, gagamitin mo na yung the art of Googling. There are concepts na hindi talaga ganun kadaling intindihin. Like for example, the concept of object-oriented programming, which I admit is talagang medyo nahirapan din talaga ako dyan. Pero sabi ko nga practice makes perfect. And minsan kailangan mo rin talagang manghingi ng tulong from other person or other people na mas expert pagdating sa concepts na yun. The goal is to solve the problem. And if ever na alam mo namang masasayang lang yung time mo or yung energy mo trying to solve the problem or trying to figure out something na alam mo namang nasolve na ng ibang tao, then para sa akin, it's okay na mag-ask ng help from other people. Ang importante, masolve natin yung problem ng walang bugs, wala tayong nasira, and malinis yung pagkaka-integrate ng code natin dun sa existing na application code base. Sobrang importante guys na pag-aralan mong mabuti yung mga lines of codes, kung ano yung nangyayari dun sa codes na kokopyahin mo before you paste it on your application code base. And of course, most important thing is you have to make sure na still safe and secure yung application mo. Walang vulnerabilities yung mga codes or libraries na gagamitin mo to make sure na safe pa rin siya sa mga malicious attacks even if nagkopya ka lang ng code from internet or from other sources. And again, ang trabaho natin is to solve the problem. So, hindi mo kailangang ubusin ng energy mo trying to memorize the syntax. Hindi mo kailangang i-rewrite ang codes ng paulit-ulit if alam mo naman that someone else has already done it before. Para sa akin, that is so inefficient, guys. Kung meron ka ng mga codes na makuha from other sites, then all you have to do is put them all together and just make sure na malinis ang pagkaka-integrate mo and you did it in a logical way. Hindi naman lahat ng codes kinokopya lang natin from internet or from other sources. Meron din talagang mga logical stuff na pinag-iisipan natin by ourselves. So, ang challenge doon is on how you will put them all together in a clean way or in a logical way so that you will come up with a solution that will solve the specific problem. Para sa akin, okay lang naman. There are things na madalas nakakalimutan natin kung hindi natin ginagamit like regularly. Parang yung ex mo, 'di ba? Minsan kailangan mong kalimutan kasi may papasok na iba. Pero seryoso guys, actually, you need to focus on what's more important. And ang importante is for you to understand the concepts and improve your logic by solving a lot of problems. And syempre, haluan nyo na rin ang puso guys. So, I guess that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. And share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo kung merong mga gusto na mga ganitong topic. And as always, thank you for watching guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!